Hey everybody, I wanted to do this for a couple days now and I haven't got around to it. I was lucky enough to win a decent little survival kit from a company called Prepping to Survival LLC. They have a website, it's called preppingtosurvival.net. I just happened to win this off their website and definitely wanted to check out their little kit, and I thought it was a really great thing, so we'll go over what's in it. First, you got a little rescue blanket. Good little item to have. Got some 4x4s. There's actually 5 of them in there, but I've actually used one of them. I've actually used this kit already. I needed it the other day, and I didn't have anything handy, so I just used what I had. You get a few packs of sutures. These are silk blend surgical sutures. They're very fresh, manufactured 11 of 2008, so they expire in 2023. That's just absolutely great. That's something you never see in prepping supplies, is stuff that's fresh. They have these little charcoal tablets, the little charcoal pills. Those are a great little thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 10 of those. That's great. Something you should always have. Like 6 water purification tabs. Another great little item to have. I don't think you could ever have any more. Actually, there's one more suture, so that's 5 of those. Here is something that I thought was absolutely the coolest thing ever. It's this little wallet survival card. It's got saw, fish hooks, spears. It's absolutely, like I said, the coolest little thing I've ever seen. I'm actually going to have to see about finding some of those. Be great for my survival kits and stuff. I actually have a few of those. These are what they call a wallet pocket knife. Like it's like a credit card. I think they're great. Just don't think you could ever have too many knives. Little flint kit. Of course, good matches. These are waterproof matches. I am glad to see that they went the extra way and did that. A few little things here I think is absolutely great. Super glue, great for closing wounds. A little compass. You can't hurt to have a second backup cheap compass just in case. And a little P38 can opener. Another great little item there. Some 550 cord. Repair a bootlace, repair a tent, tie something up, make a tourniquet in an emergency. Another great item just to have handy. Like I said, some things I don't think you can have too much of. Scalpel blade holder, another really good ideal. Scalpel blades to go in it, got a couple of those. A couple more things here. A little pair of medical scissors. Of course, now I've used the forceps already, and I've used the other pair of medical scissors. And you get 4 of these little iodine swabs, and I love these things. I actually used 2 of these the other day on a little situation I had, and I was just absolutely excited that I had those, because if not, I would have had to break out a bottle and make a mess, and it would have just been a mess. You get 4 alcohol prep pads. A really, really good pair of tweezers. These are really good. Another great little item there. True medical tweezers. Can't go wrong with a good one. And last but not least, one of the greatest little things ever, one of the little wire saws. I think it's absolutely great. to have one of those. So I want to thank them for sending that to me. Great little item. If you're looking for any prepping supplies when it comes to the medical kits, I think they are a great company to talk to. So, well, thanks guys. Have a great day.